HCTI stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday is healthcare triangle stock buy. I'll be breaking all that down in this very brief short 1-minute video. And as the only person in this page with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years experience, seeing what's working for me and what's not. Looking at HCTI, my most recent prediction was this bearish sell side, and guess what happened? We did exactly that. Now let me show you the proof, just so you don't think that I'm lying to you or whatever. Right, here it is. It was pre-market was 513 right there on the 5th of August, and this is being made like at 6 a.m. before market opened, and then the price came down. Regarding this, I'm still not gonna freaking add anything new. You know, it just delivered, and then so what? Now we have a new supply zone right here. And that's exactly where we are. So let me know what is your opinion on HCTI. Like I said, like for me, this is even, I'm starting to yawn how boring this is. The only thing that I will carry is breaks above 570, and if I don't get that, then I'm not buying. If you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. Goodbye.